Welcome to 60 Seconds to Code, where I show you how to code in 60 seconds or less. Today you will learn about lambda functions. Lambda functions are anonymous functions that you can optionally name. They can be used to write quick functions that require a simple return value. One common use case for lambda functions is for sorting and filtering lists. Step 1. Create a file called lambda.py and add a list of founding fathers to the file. Step 2. In line 2, type get last name is equal to lambda name colon name split -1, exactly as it appears on the screen. This lambda function will split the given input string based on spaces and then use a negative index to return the last name in the list. Step 3. In line 3, type print get last name John Adams, exactly as it appears on the screen. Step 4. In line 4, type founding fathers.sort key is equal to get last name. The key parameter in the sort function accepts a function that returns a value to be sorted on. In this case, for each item in the list, the get last name lambda function will return the last name for the founding father, and then sort function will sort the list based on that last name. Step 5. Type print founding fathers on line 5 and run the file in a Python interpreter. The code is available in a link in the description below. Congratulations, you have learned about lambda functions. For your homework, make a modification to the lambda function such that it does not run into problems if someone forgets to capitalize the last name of a founding father.